When it comes to education, sometimes the best learning tools are loud, hot, and messy. This is the welding class at Clark High School. And this is one of only a few dual-credit career and technical education programs in San Antonio, and the only dual-credit welding program in the city that allows students to earn a Level 1 welding certification. That means they're eligible for higher-paying jobs straight out of high school.
Straight out of high school.
But welding instructor Gerardo Rodriguez says, be warned, if you want to learn here, get ready to do some hard work.
The kids who aren't afraid to get their hands dirty, to smell like metal, to sweat, this is the place for you.
It's a lot of hard work.
This is Jack Heaney's first year in the welding program. Growing up, Jack, like many kids, figured the only thing to do after high school was go to college. Well, in this class, he's learned something new, something he loves, and something he hopes to one day make into a career.
It's great to be able to show into trade school that you did welding in high school, so it kind of gives you an advantage of the other group that hasn't done it.
And for those who think welding is just for boys, well, they haven't met high school junior Alexandra Fernandez.
It's very intricate and you have to really perfect it. So because of that, I just think I like it a lot.
Alexandra says she's considering medical school after graduation, but after this class, she'll always have a special place in her heart for welding.
I was thinking maybe I could do welding as a side job.
Gerardo says welding is a solid choice for those who do want to turn it into a career.
By being guided the right way, by dedication, by doing hard work, being ready to work every day, you can be very successful.
No matter their futures, whether it's welding, medical school, or countless other careers, Gerardo, a fourth-generation welder, says he hopes the kids leave this class knowing they have options. And if they pick up a little respect and love for the welding industry in the process, well, that's just a bonus he's glad to pass on.
We make stuff from nothing to something, and that's what I like about welding.
Thanks for watching this video from Northside Media Productions. Northside is San Antonio's premier school district of choice.